classes empty?
In my opinion, the MP is really good, especially in the MP. HM is really handsome.
No, I think Geno is the most handsome.
Will we all have our own opinion, right?
Yes, by the way, what is your favorite song? I am a vampire for NCT 127.
I'm rooting for Dream.
I also like that song, but I'm going to do some practice first. Bye!
Bye bye.